హాయ్ ఎవరీవన్, ఈరోజు మనం 10th క్లాస్ లెర్నింగ్ రీఎన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ 2024-25లో భాగంగా బయోలాజికల్ సైన్స్లో జరిగిన మొదటి టెస్ట్ వాటి యొక్క ఆన్సర్స్ని గురించి ఈ వీడియోలో తెలుసుకుందాం. మొదటి ప్రశ్న, విచ్ పార్ట్స్ కెన్ వీ డొనేట్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ బాడీ? ఈ ప్రశ్నకి సమాధానం కార్నియాస్ మీన్స్ ఐస్, కిడ్నీస్, హార్ట్, లివర్ ఎట్సెట్రా. Second question, what is synapse? Answer, the gap between two neurons or nerve cells. Or a nerve impulse is transmitted from one neuron to another through junctions called synapses. Third question, how do we know that we have eaten enough? Answer, our body releases hormones and sends signals to our brain that we have eaten enough. Or the sensation of feeling full is because of a center associated with hunger, which is in a separate part of the forebrain. ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదైనా మనం ఆన్సర్గా రాయొచ్చు. Fourth question, which part of the brain maintains posture and equilibrium of the body? Answer, these are possible due to a part of the hindbrain called the cerebellum. Fifth question, define excretion. Answer, excretion is the removal of materials from a living being. Sixth question, what will you think about our body donation after death? Answer, body donation is important for helping medical students and researchers. It is useful to understand the human body. Seventh question, how do muscle cells change their shape? Answer, muscle cells have special proteins that change both their shape and their arrangement in the cell in the response to nervous electrical impulse. When this happens, new arrangements of these proteins give the muscle cells a shorter form. Eighth question, draw a labeled diagram of neuron. Answer, neuron diagram and its parts: nucleus, dendrites, cell body, axon, nerve ending. Ninth question, what are the methods used by plants to get rid of excretory products? Answer, plants use a variety of techniques to get rid of waste material. Waste material may be sorted in the cell vacuoles or as gum and resin, removed in the falling leaves, excreted into the surrounding soil. 10th question, 10th A question, how are nerve impulse travel in the body? Answer, this impulse travel from the dendrite to the cell body and then along the axon to its end. At the end of the axon, the electrical impulse sets off the release of some chemicals. These chemicals cross the gap or synapse and start a similar electrical impulse in a dendrite of the next neuron. This is a general scheme of how nervous impulse travel in the body. A similar synapse finally allows delivery of such impulse from nervous to other cells such as muscle cells or gland. 10th B question, write the structure and function of nephron. Structure of nephron. Nephron is the basic filtration unit in the kidney. It consists of a tubule which is connected with a collecting duct at one end and a cup-shaped structure at the other end called Bowman's capsules. Every Bowman's capsules contains cluster of capillaries called glomerulus within the cup-shaped structure. The blood enters into glomerulus through afferent arteriole of renal artery and leaves it through efferent arteriole. Function of nephrons. Filtration. Filtration of the blood takes place in Bowman's capsules in the capillaries of the glomerulus. Reabsorption. The filtrate flows along the tubule and useful substances such as glucose, amino acids, salt and some water are reabsorbed into the blood by the capillaries surrounding the nephron tubule. Urine formation. The filtration which remains after the reabsorption is called the urine, which is collected from nephron by the collecting duct to carry into the urinary bladder and then to the urethra. ఇది 10th క్లాస్ లెర్నింగ్ రీఎన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్ ప్రోగ్రాంలో మొదటి టెస్ట్లోని క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఆన్సర్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.